Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson, and today is Saturday, February 27th, 2021. I have 2 questions and 2 answers today about the COVID-19 vaccines. First question, will the vaccines work on new variants? Well, the answer, first I have to provide a little bit of context. Every time a virus replicates, folks, changes can creep into its genetic material. Viruses depend on people spreading them. The more viral replication there is, the greater the chances that the mutations are going to arise. So here's what we know. We know the UK variant is going to be the most common variant here in the United States, and that it's 25 to 40% more transmissible than the original virus. We also know that the South African variant is here, and it's been linked to higher viral loads in the nose and the throat, and it's resistant to natural antibodies. Well, we know that both the Pfizer and Moderna coronavirus vaccines appear to be highly effective against the UK variant and also effective against the South African variant. But what is happening is that the vaccine makers are going to have to adapt their vaccines to keep up with the mutations of this virus. This may need to be done by providing booster doses, which are tailored to different variants. Again, this is commonly done with vaccines. There are other vaccines that are called bivalent, trivalent, or even quadrivalent vaccines, vaccines that work against multiple strains of a virus. Clinical trials of these new combination vaccines will be underway soon. And it could be that those of us that got the original Moderna and Pfizer vaccines will have to get booster doses as this virus continues to evolve. Again, folks, the best way to stop this virus is to prevent it from spreading. Next question, question number 2. What about the new Johnson & Johnson vaccine? Well, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration just yesterday, the Independent Review Committee recommended that the single-dose vaccine be authorized for emergency use. This means that the third COVID-19 vaccine may be available as early as next week. Here's the important things to know about the new Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Number 1, it's a single-dose vaccine. It doesn't require that cold chain storage. As one vaccine expert I heard on television today, he was quoted as saying, 1 dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine will keep you out of the hospital, keep you out of the intensive care unit, and keep you out of the morgue. That's powerful. It is not a messenger RNA vaccine. It uses an inactivated cold adenovirus, with a small copy of the coronavirus spike protein inserted in it. Works the same way. Your immune cells recognize it as foreign, and it builds an antibody and immune memory to this spike protein. And when the real virus comes along, your body will recognize it and prevent you from getting sick from it. Now, folks, this vaccine technology is not rushed. It's not new. Johnson & Johnson partnered with another pharmaceutical company called Janssen, which already had the adenovirus vector platform developed. This platform was already in use for an Ebola vaccine, a Zika vaccine, and an HIV investigational vaccine. So again, not new. And it's also reasonably protective against the South African and the UK variants. So that's all I have today. In the meantime, folks, continue to make your mind up about getting the vaccine. So when it's your time in the line, you can get vaccinated. Take the first vaccine that's available to you. Don't try to select one. They're all very equivalent against these COVID-19 strains that are here in the United States. As always, my views are my own, and stay safe, stay the course, and have a blessed day.